Hello, friends. Welcome to youtube.com oblique Dr. Vet channel. I'm Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor and Head, Veterinary Medicine. In this presentation, we'll discuss important bacterial disease, bacillary hemoglobinuria. In part 3, we'll discuss details about clinical science and important diagnostic necropsy findings. Friends, we discuss important clinical findings. Many times, disease manifest for acute symptoms. That is, illness is of very short duration, and the cattle at pasture found dead without any premonitory signs, no signs at all. That much serious disease. Disease has a sudden onset picture. There is complete cessation of rumination, stop feeding, reduction of milk production, no lactation, and no defecation. Continue with the clinical findings: severe depression, fever, abdominal pain due to hepatitis and enteritis, dyspnea because of anemia, vascular damage, dysentery because of enteritis, and hemoglobinuria because of lysis or carbesis. There is high rise of temperature. The fever is present in early stage of the disease, but as the toxemia progresses, the fever subsides and becomes subnormal before death. Abdominal pain, and it has its own signs. There is a reluctance to move and characteristic arched back posture due to abdominal pain. Respiration is shallow and labored, pulse is weak and rapid because of the anemia. The feces is diarrheic, watery, fluidy with much mucus and blood. That is because of enteritis. And this blood imparts a brown color to the feces. The urine is foamy because of presence of hemoglobin and dark red color, that is also due to presence of hemoglobin. There is hemoglobinuria. Continue with the clinical findings. There is characteristic finding anemia and jaundice because of the hemolysis of RBC. Anemia and jaundice are of varying degree. There is paleness and icteric condition of mucous membrane of mouth, eye and vagina. Edema of brisket is a common finding. That is because of hepatitis and vascular damage because of toxemia. The duration of clinical signs varies from per acute to acute. Disease may be very short, maybe of 12 hours in dairy cows, and extend up to 3 to 4 days in dry stock, acute manifestation. The pregnant cows abort because of the severe toxemia and anemia. There is severe dyspnea just before death because of severe anemia. and death occurs in few days because of toxemia and hypoxemia, lack of oxygen because of anemia and hemolysis, destruction of RBCs. Mortality is very high in untreated animals. This is very severe. Mortality may reach up to 95%. Very few cattle show subclinical disease, and this becomes later immune carriers, and they are the potential dangerous for the other animals as they spread the disease. The clinical signs in sheep are very similar to cattle. Friends, we have seen clinical findings. Now we see here important necropsy findings, necropsy lesions of bacillary hemoglobinuria. Only important things we see here. If the clinician observes the animal from outside, the perineum is soiled with blood-stained urine and feces. If you open the carcass, there is a dehydration, anemia, subcutaneous edema, and a varying degree of jaundice is observed. Characteristic. The body cavities contain excessive amount of blood-stained fluid. Characteristic that is present in pleural, pericardial, and peritoneal cavities. That is both thoracic and abdominal cavity. Continue with the necropsic lesions. There is hemorrhagic abomyositis and hemorrhagic enteritis. The small intestine and large intestine contain blood-stained ingesta or even pre-clotted blood. That is severity of disease. Friends, remember here the characteristic lesion of bacillary hemoglobinuria is ischemic infarction in the liver. Remember, characteristic ischemic infarction in the liver. One or more infarcts are observed. The size vary from 5 to 20 centimeter in diameter. Infarcts in liver is a characteristic sign. Friends, characteristic lesion is ischemic infarct in the liver. How to know infarct? Important for a clinician. The infarct area in the liver is slightly elevated than the normal tissue. Infarct area is lighter in color than the surrounding tissue because infarct area is pale. The infarct area outlined by bluish red zone of congestion because these are the normal tissue and hyperemia. So infarct portion has a general appearance of local necrosis. This is how clinician can diagnose infarction. The kidneys is packed with hemoglobin, so it is dark, friable. There is petechial hemorrhage and presence of red urine in the kidney. Because of the hemoglobinuria, the bladder shows presence of purplish red color urine. Rigor mortis develop quickly. Another characteristic is that there is subcutaneous tissue findings. Subcutaneous tissue contain gelatinous edema or petechial or diffuse hemorrhages. These hemorrhages become a crepitant in a few hours. That is because of the production of gas subcutaneously. This is also a characteristic finding of bacillary hemoglobinuria. Friends, we have discussed here important clinical finding in necropsy finding that is of diagnostic significance. Please share this information to veterinarians and our veterinary students so that they are enriched with the knowledge for the service of the animal kind. To promote the channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for observing this video.